What's up, online shoppers? A big shout out to Renpho for giving me this smart body scale. We're gonna open it up, see what's in the box, and I'm going to start using it. Their timing couldn't have been better because I'm just about to start my health journey, and this is a fantastic way to get started. There is the scale. Now let's take it out of the box so we can get a closer look at it. And we get a instruction manual, and it comes with the batteries. That's cool. Now this is a pretty sleek diagnostic tool because not only does it look pretty, but these are actually sensors. And it's important that when you're using this, you actually have your socks off because it's not going to be able to do the readings if it can't connect directly with your skin. This right here is the spot where the digital display will be. And at the back here, we can open it up with a push and install our batteries. This takes 3 1.5 volt AAA batteries, just like that. They also have a scale that is rechargeable. Click it back in place and our scale is working. So as I said, there's two different models of this Renpho Elis. This one here is the one that takes the 3 AAA batteries. They also have one that is rechargeable, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. Now, in order to get this scale to work, you do have to download and install on your smartphone the Renpho Health app. But the really cool thing about that is that app integrates with Samsung Health, Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, and also Fitbit. So if you are a smartwatch wearer, you can also use the stats that are coming from your watch to feed into the Renpho Health app and help you to understand a full, complete picture of what your health is at. Now, what I like about this is it actually takes 13 different measurements, all while you are standing on this scale. And I haven't tried it out yet, but from what I've read, I'm impressed with all the different metrics it offers. With the Renpho Elis 1 Smart Body Scale, you can measure body weight, body fat percentage, BMI, bone mass, protein, muscle mass, your water, your weight over time. And the other really great thing is you can add users to it. So this isn't just going to be a scale for you to use. It can be a scale that your entire family uses. The only thing you have to do is actually go into your app and add them as a user. They can keep their data private so that it doesn't confuse the scale when people of 2 different weights step on it one after the other. Max capacity for this scale is just shy of 400 pounds or 180 kilograms. Another really cool thing about this is you can actually use this scale with a baby setting so that you can track your children's weight and also even your pets. That's pretty cool. Here is a close-up of the scale in action. You see, as soon as I just hold steady, it will register a weight and then it shuts off once it's done that. I've just set up my dashboard here. You can see that you can log things like your health, your fitness, and your nutrition statistics. Track your mileage, which is pretty cool. Right up here is where you add a device. I'm going to click on body fat scale. This is a pretty awesome diagnostic tool to help you along on your health journey, and I'm really looking forward to using it to help it guide me. If you are looking to add something to your health journey that's going to help you understand all your stats and help you to keep your weight in check, this one here, the Renpho Elis 1 Smart Scale, is definitely one to consider, and I think it's going to be a family favorite at my house.